to the next edition of CEO Chamber Chats. My name is Mandy Power. I'm the very proud president and CEO of the Dawson County Chamber of Commerce. So excited to be here with a wonderful small business that won this CEO Chamber Chats on his very first Coffee and Commerce at Because Coffee back in April. But I would also like to take a moment and thank our Coffee and Commerce series sponsor, Windhaven Community Wellness Center. Thank you so much for everything you do and make this possible. But we are going to chat with Ben Utley from Local Handyman of Northeast Georgia is the official, but you wear a wonderful shirt that says Local Handyman. So Ben, tell me a little bit about your business and how you got started.
Thank you, Mandy. Yeah, so I was a mortgage lender, real estate agent beforehand, before I owned this business, and I saw a huge need for this type of service in this market, a trusted handyman company. It is hard to find. And I just really wanted to solve that problem.
Absolutely. So what do you think was so hard to find? What were you looking for when you needed the services of a local handyman?
Yeah, great question. I mean, really, it's simple. The bar is set so low. Show up on time, do exactly as you say you're going to do, and do it for a reasonable price.
Yes.
And that's really the big three.
That is really good. That's actually funny you say that. And I kind of knew that going in because my husband owns a small business, but he says, you'd be amazed at the people that said, oh my gosh, someone answered the phone.
That's exactly right.
Like if you answer the phone and you call people back, that's
yep.
actually a great, set you above everyone else apparently.
That's
so
exactly
tell
right.
us about the services that you offer. If you specialize in anything, what do you do the most?
Yeah, so I mean, the local handyman, right? It's a trade old as time. You know, we do everything for residential properties, light commercial.
Okay.
There's a very, very long list of things we do, and there's a very short list of things we don't do.
Okay.
And really, the only thing that we don't touch is roofs. Our insurance company would have a cow. So, that is really all we don't touch. So anything, everybody's got a to-do list, right? Or even a honey-do list for that matter.
Absolutely.
So we are happy to take care of really anything, and we specialize in a lot of different things because our employees are specialized in their own little niche.
Okay.
And so that's kind of, and we'll probably get to that, but that's kind of how we have our company set up.
Okay.
That way we can better serve our customers.
Okay, so everyone, depending upon the job and what's needed, will depend upon who has expertise.
That's exactly right.
Okay, I love that.
Yeah, we have employees. We don't have contractors. So they're all.
That makes a big difference.
It does. It makes a huge difference.
Yes.
You know, they show up in a collar like this, a nice wrap van, and we know what the customer can expect, and that's excellence. To be honest with you. So yeah.
Absolutely. Another thing that kind of sets the bar high for you. Right?
That's exactly right.
Absolutely. So what would you say do you find yourself doing the most often? What's the most common work that people call you out for?
Yeah, good question. A lot of to-do lists, like I mentioned. You know, we usually show up. They want one or two things done, and it ends up being 10. You know, and that is totally fine. We can handle it all. We can knock everything out. What I'm seeing a lot lately is pre-listing work. You know, before somebody's going to go list their property, they want somebody to walk through and tackle that last minute punch list.
Okay.
And it's kind of nice because I specialize in that. You know, it's like I'm a mortgage lender, real estate agent. I know exactly what they're talking about, and I know how to maximize that value of their home. For the little amount of money possible,
sure.
Right?
Absolutely.
So that is what we're seeing a lot lately.
Absolutely. Well, the market is firing back up, right?
It sure is.
When someone hires your company, what can they expect? What does that customer service look like? What's the expectation level?
Yeah, I mentioned earlier. I mean, sheer excellence, really, across the board. That's kind of our standard. But really, that comes down to communication. A ton of communication.
Absolutely.
This industry, it's hard to find a company that really will communicate properly. So we definitely harp on that. And we're looking to build trust, you know, and those two things are hand in hand. Mm-hmm. You know, when you communicate thoroughly, it just creates trust.
Absolutely. Well, this might go hand in hand, but what's something that homeowners are surprised by when they work with you?
Yeah, you know, when somebody's looking at their home and looking at all the different things that are going on with it, right? If it's not a brand spanking new home, there's something going on.
Even if it is brand spanking new,
that's a good point. Very good point. Yeah, have you ever got an inspection back on a brand new house? There's still a laundry list of items.
Yes.
So it's a really stressful process. People, it's a very daunting thing. They don't have the right tools. They don't know how it's going to get done, if it's even possible to get done at a reasonable price. So what people are surprised with our customers, what they're surprised about is just the stress just goes away. As soon as they call us, we're talking exactly what the process is going to look like, and we really make it real for them and meet them where they're at.
Oh, that's great.
So yeah, they always give me that feedback.
Oh, that's really incredible. Like you mentioned, we all have projects that we all need to have done. But if there's something that maybe someone's been prolonging taking care of, what is some advice that you would give that homeowner? Yeah,
that is the big no-no. When it comes to owning a home, you really don't want to let something linger. A lot anything that has to do with water. When you have a small leak, that is going to create a bunch of different issues. Even a loose toilet or something like that. You have no idea what's really going to go on underneath that. And with all this new LVP that's out, it's a great floor, obviously, but it does float on top of the subfloor for the most part.
Right.
So you don't really know where that water's going, if there is water there, and it always finds the lowest spot. So it's not going to stay in the same spot.
Yes.
So you're talking about mold issues and things like that. I actually had a customer. She had a baseboard, and she thought that the seam of the caulk was just kind of peeling and kind of separating from the rest of the wall. And she neglected it for a long time. And we went out and took a look, and it just so happened that a root from a Japanese maple tree right outside the wall is growing into the house essentially.
Oh my goodness!
Yeah. And so you can imagine what happens on the backside of that root is moisture.
Oh,
right. So there's mold behind her drywall. There's all kinds of stuff on that wall adjacent to the exterior, and it would have been a very simple $100 fix if she would have called us earlier. And that's
because it just keeps growing as well, right?
Yeah.
Physically, like the root.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Now we're trying to figure out ways that we can save her nice Japanese maple out front.
Oh my goodness.
So that's just
I'd chop it down.
Right. Okay. That's a nice tree.
That's
a nice tree now. But yeah, that's kind of a drastic example, but that's what happens.
Absolutely.
When you neglect things.
It's a small task one day, but then it can develop and tends to cost a little bit more to fix it and remedy it.
That's exactly right.
That's exactly. So I know you have not been a chamber member for a really long time, but we are so excited to have you.
Likewise.
What have you found that is the most beneficial part of being in the chamber that you've found so far?
Oh my gosh, all the connections that I'm making. I mean, and what's really surprised me is just how people are really looking out for my company too. I mean, they're just,
yes.
Even people that I thought might have been competitors or something like that. There's always synergies that, and we're looking to find those out all the time. So it's been a great experience so far. I mean, everybody's so welcoming, and they're always looking at ways that they can help me, and vice versa.
Absolutely. Do you have a connection that stands out?
Yeah,
in particular?
I guess now that you ask, I guess I do. Ashley Sapphire.
She's amazing.
Yeah, she is, isn't she? With Freedom Painting, her and her husband own Freedom Painting and Handyman, and I walked into the first Coffee and Commerce, and she was the first person I met, and I looked at her badge and I thought, oh my, okay, that's going to be a competitor, surely,
Sure. Yeah.
And I figured she thought the same thing.
Yeah.
We started chatting, and we started talking about ways that we can help each other, ways that we can send business back and forth. Better serve the community all the way around.
That's amazing.
Yeah. And we're serving the same B&I group together.
Okay.
And so
nice.
It's been a great relationship.
Absolutely. So are y'all just located in Dawson County, or do you serve other communities?
That's a great question. No, we serve everywhere. Everywhere in North Georgia, really. The southernmost point that we go is Alpharetta.
Okay.
All the way to 575, Holly Springs, Canton area, up to Ball Ground, and then all the way over to Brazelton and up.
Okay.
So we do have a large territory, but really a lot of our business is coming from Dawson and coming Georgia. Yeah, and we like it that way. We love this community.
What do you love the most about serving these communities, those particular communities?
To be honest with you, the people. Okay,
yeah.
My mother, she lives in Milledgeville, and she when I moved here about 7 years ago, she's like, well, tell me what's the difference, between where we grew up, which was Gwinnett County, I'll just go ahead and say it, which was Gwinnett County. I said, you know, Mom, the difference is when I walk into a Walmart in Dawson County, people are opening the door for me and saying, how is your day going? And genuinely meaning it.
Yeah.
You know, and it just goes to show what type of people are here.
Yeah.
And just being able to serve those types of people and you know, helping their biggest and what sometimes is their biggest investment, which is their home, it's just really rewarding.
Yeah.
Honestly.
Well, you even mentioned it before, is helping one another even if you think you're a competitor. So instead of trying to go against, you know, you're lifting other businesses up, which is truly what the chamber is all about.
Exactly
but I feel like our community and our chamber is so great because our community is so great as well.
I have to agree.
So if someone wants to work with you, what's the best way for them to get in touch with you?
Yeah, if you don't see one of our 4 vans driving down the highway, they're like billboards. I'm telling you. But you can call me directly. I'm not a type of owner that's, you know, on the sidelines. I am in the trenches, so to speak. You can call me at 770-823-3014. Or go to our website, localhandyman.com/Northeast Georgia, or follow us on social media.
Perfect. Yeah. Well, I know that this is our final question, but I know you said that your client service is what sets you apart, but you touched a little bit on the specialty. So I'm going to give you an opportunity to kind of talk a little bit about that, because that is also a differentiator between your business and maybe other business like yours. So do you want to talk through a little bit about the specialties that you have with your employees? And
yes, absolutely. You know, we can really do it all, truly, because you know, I was looking at 200 resumes a couple weeks ago.
Wow.
And we only picked 3 out of those.
Wow.
You know, and so we are really making sure that these employees are the real deal, to be honest with you.
Absolutely.
And so they can do it all as far as that goes. But really, I want to touch on the fact that, you know, we are a veteran-owned, family-operated company. And so our culture and our integrity and our values, I think, really shine through when somebody's working with us. And I think that's the difference when you're talking about other handyman type of outfits and companies out there. It's hard to find that integrity, and so we really like to shine in that department.
Absolutely. Well, I can certainly tell a difference in just a little bit of time I've gotten to know you, and our conversation today to learn more about your business. But having that really high level of professionalism when you invite people into your home, that's your safe space. That's a big deal. So to be able to trust someone and know that they have the knowledge to fix your, not only, I mean, I used to be a banker as well, so it is your largest investment that you make in life as well, is your home. So to invite someone into that as your space and your largest investment, it's very important to have someone that you can trust and you can count on. So
well said.
Very thankful to have you here today
Thank you.
sit down with me, and thank you so much for being a chamber member. We're so excited to see where this goes. I know you've already hit the ground running. But thank y'all for tuning in. And again, thank you to our Coffee and Commerce series sponsor, Win Haven Wellness Community Center. And we will see the next Coffee and Commerce where maybe we will draw your business card so that you can sit down and have CEO Chamber chats. Thank you so much. Have a great day.